Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add it's in Photoshop or anything, any object. Okay, first of all, step on this image layer, click the selection tool, right click on your mouse. You can select rectangular marquee tool or elliptical marquee tool as you wish. I use this elliptical marquee tool. Click here, then click, hold shift, click and drag it for fixed size or elliptical marquee tool. I select for this object. Okay, then now see this refine its and either click and drag it. Okay, reduce. Okay, then selections layer mask. Click OK. And step 2, I apply this step 2. Now see this image. First of all, use rectangular marquee tool or elliptical marquee tool. As I wish, I use a rectangular marquee tool. Then find this gradient, right click on your mouse, select gradient tool and use this transparent gradient tool and click white. For this background color I use white, then click OK, then click for this area, create a new layer, click and drag it. OK, press Ctrl D, see this image, click and drag it up to right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Now we can see this fade it's. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.